Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute spring card with the Texture Chic suite. Here is my spring Texture Chic card using the Texture Chic suite, which includes this Season of Chic bundle. Stamps and dies coordinate with the shells, the flowers, the leaves, and the snowflake, along with some extra. This is a really cool piece that I've used right here. And this is the designer series paper, gold foil on one side, and then this is the fall design on the other side. And then we've got some summer or spring, winter, the flowers, and then just a couple of extra designs and seashells. And then along with the designer paper series in this suite, there is this textured gold, and it's a little bit thinner than cardstock, but not super thin. It's white on the other side, and you get two 12 by 12 sheets for $5, and I think it's really, really cool. So for this card, I'm going to start with the card base, which is petal pink, and then I have all my little pieces inside here. I'm going to use a gold foil stitched rectangle, and also some of the Texture Chic designer series paper. So I'm just gonna slant this over here, and then this one has the seashells on the back. Fun paper. And then I'm just going to tilt this one over here like that. So really simple, easy way to create some interest on your card. And then I've already cut this piece out of the distressed gold, and I'm just gonna add some glue. You could also use an adhesive sheet. And then it's always nice to have some tweezers to put it down. Now I'm going to stamp like a swoosh on here and then emboss the thanks. So I'm going to stamp the swoosh in petal pink and then emboss on top of it. And you'll notice I have like two colors here, and that's because I ink one side of the ink pad so that I can have a darker color and then a lighter color on the other side. All right, now I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of a new item that's going to be in the new mini catalog. So it's a set. There's an embossing tray, a brush to brush all the embossing powder down into the spout where you can unscrew it and pour it back into the container. There's tweezers with plastic ends so they don't get hot. And my favorite thing is there's an embossing buddy. So happy to have the embossing buddy back. So you just kind of pat it and then you rub the powder all over it. And there's a little pouch that it goes back into. So you do want to keep it in that pouch so that you keep as much powder as possible. So now I'm going to use the Versamark ink to stamp my sentiment of thanks right on top, the swoosh. And then we can pour the embossing powder all over it. Just try to dump it back in. And then I can sweep this up later. And then we're going to use the tweezers to hold it. There we go. So now I'm just gonna do a little bit of trimming with the trimmer. Just wanna trim off some of the edges here. So finished size is gonna be 3. By 1. That's 2. So let's do 1/8. Okay. All right, so there's our sentiment. I'm just going to run my bone folder on that. I need to change my blades, looks like. Okay, so this is going to be on dimensionals. And I'm just going to place it right about there. And then for the flowers, I've cut some flowers out from the die, so I'll glue that on top. And then for these 2 flowers, I cut the gold distressed, and then I layered it on top of petal pink and cut it out. So I'm gonna show you how I did that. So first I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue to this piece right here. And don't fret that it has these open edges. That's the way the die is. Okay, so now I can put these flowers on dimensionals as well. And then just add them to the card. And there is our spring card. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase this bundle. I have a spring card and a fall card and a winter card, and you'll get supplies for 2 of each. Just go to my website and place your order for the bundle or $40 order using my current host code, and I will send you out this card kit. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial on the Texture Chic Suite. If you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would like it and leave a comment, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.